It's no secret that the tobacco industry has aggressively lured millions of Californians into the deadly addiction of smoking. California has accepted the challenge from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to finish the fight against tobacco to ensure present and future generations a smoke-free lifestyle.
The California Tobacco Control Program has done a tremendous job in remaining the nation's non-smoking section.
Most important is it's helped to change the norms. Smoking is much less pervasive and pertinent in today's world than it was when the tobacco control program started.
But we need to do more. There's still a fight.
There is an enormous impact of tobacco in California, despite the enormous progress that's been made.
We all know that marketing is very effective, and the tobacco industry has much deeper pockets than the California Tobacco Control Program in terms of doing counter-marketing.
Organizations like the Heart Association and others, we simply don't have the financial resources to overwhelm the outcome.
We know that the tobacco industry has had a long history of marketing to different segments of the population that they know are more likely to smoke.
The tobacco industry is producing a highly addictive product. It's a product that people take up when they're young. It's a product that the promotions help to sell.
Well, for example, in the African American community, we know that mentholated cigarettes are heavily targeted and are specifically targeted for our population.
There are still millions of smokers in California, and we have a very strong opponent in the tobacco industry that obviously has interest in keeping people smoking and getting new smokers.
You know, the tobacco industry has such a powerful lobby.
We have tools. We know what policies work. We know how to deal with secondhand smoke. We need to use those tools.
We need to be creative, we need to be strategic, we need to be strong, and we need to be united.
I think these forums are important. They bring people together who share a common interest in tobacco control, bring their perspectives and experiences.
It was a great workshop. There were a lot of really good speakers, a lot of interesting presentations, a lot of new information to think about.
Very pertinent. The information was very timely.
It really energizes me to see all of these people who have been around in tobacco control for so long. And as somebody who's relatively new to the field, just seeing all of the things that they've accomplished really motivates me and helps me see that there's still a lot of work yet to be done.
They're really winnable battles. You know, there's something that we could do specifically to fight against tobacco.
I feel encouraged, but at the same time a little bit overwhelmed as well, because there's a lot of work that needs to be done.
Although California is proud of its successes in saving lives and encouraging tobacco-free lifestyles, there's still nearly 4 million adults and youth that smoke. We hope to see you at one of our upcoming tobacco control regional forums.